Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker Sir, I rise today to present and discuss the Income Tax Bill 2025, a landmark piece of legislation that seeks to bring transformative changes to India's taxation system. This bill is a step towards making our tax system more efficient, equitable, and growth oriented. It reflects the aspirations of our citizens and the commitment of this government to create a fair and transparent economic framework. Taxation is the backbone of any government's revenue system, and it is our duty to ensure that it is structured in a manner that promotes economic growth while maintaining social justice. This bill aims to simplify the tax structure, making compliance easier for both individuals and businesses. Over the years, our tax regime has become increasingly complex, leading to a burden on honest taxpayers and creating loopholes that some exploit. With the new provisions introduced in this bill, we seek to reduce these complexities by streamlining tax slabs, increasing transparency, and leveraging technology to facilitate tax filing. The bill introduces measures to widen the tax base, ensuring that more people contribute to nation building while reducing the overall burden on middle income groups. One of the primary objectives of this bill is to promote economic growth by incentivizing investments and entrepreneurship. Small and medium enterprises form the backbone of our economy, and their contribution to employment and GDP is immense. Recognizing this, the bill proposes tax relief measures for MSMEs, reducing their corporate tax rate and providing incentives for reinvestment. Startups which are driving innovation and creating jobs will also benefit from extended tax holidays and exemptions, fostering a culture of entrepreneurship in the country. At the same time, we are ensuring that large corporations contribute their fair share while enjoying a stable and predictable tax environment. For individual taxpayers, this bill provides much needed relief by restructuring tax slabs and increasing exemptions on essential expenditures. We recognize that inflation and rising costs of living impact the middle class significantly. Therefore, the new tax regime includes higher standard deductions, increased exemptions for education and healthcare expenses, and additional benefits for senior citizens. These measures will ensure that the hard-earned money of our citizens is used productively while also enabling them to save and invest for the future. Moreover, special provisions have been introduced to support women and differently abled individuals, ensuring inclusive economic growth. One of the most significant aspects of this bill is the focus on digital transformation in tax administration. The introduction of artificial intelligence and big data analytics will help in reducing tax evasion and ensuring compliance without unnecessary harassment of taxpayers. The bill proposes a faceless assessment and appeals system, minimizing human intervention and bringing greater efficiency to tax administration. With automated processing, we aim to reduce the time taken for refunds and minimize disputes, making the tax process more seamless and taxpayer friendly. The bill also places a strong emphasis on tackling black money and tax evasion. It introduces stricter penalties for non-compliance, undisclosed foreign assets, and fraudulent practices. Simultaneously, we are strengthening the legal framework for information sharing between domestic and international agencies, ensuring that illicit financial activities are curbed. Transparency in financial transactions is essential for a strong economy, and this bill aligns with global best practices to eliminate tax evasion and promote honest tax practices. In alignment with our commitment to sustainable development, this bill incorporates green tax incentives. Tax benefits for companies investing in renewable energy, clean technology, and sustainable business practices have been introduced. Individuals who opt for electric vehicles, solar panels, and energy efficient appliances will also enjoy tax rebates, encouraging an eco friendly lifestyle. These measures will support our national goal of reducing carbon emissions and achieving energy security. Another significant reform under this bill is the rationalization of exemptions and deductions. Over time, our tax laws have accumulated a vast number of exemptions, making compliance cumbersome and leading to revenue leakages. This bill simplifies tax laws by removing redundant exemptions while retaining those that are essential for social welfare. By doing so, we ensure that tax benefits are targeted towards genuine needs and contribute effectively to economic and social development. This bill also focuses on making India a more attractive destination for foreign investments. We have introduced provisions that simplify tax structures for foreign companies, eliminate double taxation issues, and provide a clear roadmap for dispute resolution. The certainty and stability provided by these reforms will make India a more competitive player in the global economy. Moreover, we have taken steps to align our tax policies with international best practices to avoid trade disputes and ensure a favorable business environment. To address concerns related to wealth and income disparities, the bill introduces progressive taxation measures. The higher income groups will contribute a fair share through an increase in the super rich surcharge, ensuring that wealth distribution is more equitable.